Welcome to Lucky Wheels. The truck with failed brakes skidded into the snow and collided with the vehicle in front, causing damage. The truck lost control and veered into a ditch at the roadside, causing it to get stuck. This video includes terrible truck accidents and aims to educate viewers about safe driving practices. Let's get it on. Oh, it seems he got distracted by something. Please pay attention, everyone. Please be mindful of the distance, especially in snowy weather like this. Always stay focused on the road as well. Do not take your mind off the road ahead. Check weather and road condition updates before your journey. Be aware of any advisories or warnings. Hope they are fine. Regularly practice brake maintenance. That's the best way to protect your life and others. A video reveals a different perspective. Staying calm is the most important thing to do in this kind of situation. Be careful, folks, okay? If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Please keep a safe distance from large trucks like this. They have blind spots. It's time to revoke their license. Stay safe out there, folks. What is going on? Glad everyone is safe. Oh, it seems he took the turn too wide. Please be cautious, everyone. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. The inertia has already occurred and the tail has drifted. The key point is that the brakes should not be applied. Why should those who obey the law pay attention to those who break the law? Everyone, please adjust your driving appropriately. Oh my God, no accident occurred for both. What is he thinking? Looks like he was drunk. Do not imitate this. Please check behind you before changing lanes. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. What is going on? Thankfully, the driver's safe. Oh, is he okay? Fortunately, the vehicle didn't overturn. Please tie it securely before you go. Luckily, no one was behind. This was totally unexpected incident. Thankfully, both were fine. Please be careful when driving on snow-covered roads. They are very slippery. Oh my, stay safe out there, folks. Oh dear, the truck's brakes appear to be faulty. In this case, I would slow down, although I have the right of way. These types of people frighten us to be on the road with them. More surely, trouble should happen to these distracted drivers. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys.
Oh shit, baby! Fucking A, dude!
Oh, don't make others uncomfortable in that way, please.
Oh shit, baby! Fucking A, dude! Oh shit!
Did you see the speed limit sign? Please pay attention.
Oh shit!
Oh dear, stop completely at red lights, man. It's your turn to yield.
Oh my.
Oh, what happened? Luckily, the driver is safe. Please pay attention to the traffic ahead. They've stopped. If conditions become too hazard, or if you unsafe falling over to a safe location and waiting for the weather to improve, please slow down before approaching curves like this. Drive safely. Hey, man, pay attention to brake lights and traffic flow ahead of you. Man, don't do that anymore. Oh, that driver wasn't paying attention to what's ahead. Please be aware of your surroundings and don't switch lanes like that. Oh my God, everything is really terrible. I hope everyone is okay. Please stop at red lights, everyone. Never run a red light. The incident involved due to overcorrection, right? Be careful, everyone. Don't panic, brake. Let's keep a safe distance. Oh, he ignored the stop sign. Please pay attention. Drivers, please drive with care even though you are in a rush for time. People, this is the consequence of running a red light. Do not imitate this. Oh, he was driving too close to the double lines on the road. I hope he pays more attention. Oh, what's happening up ahead? I hope the driver is safe.
Where they've been, I think, loath to intervene is on delicate social issues like abortion. You miss everything.
If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys.
You miss everything.
And right here. Not this one, the next one. Yep. And then you go in.
Right here?
Yep. You okay?
He drove in the wrong lane. He has to face the consequences for this.
Here?
Yep. You okay?
That driver's brakes failed. I hope the driver's okay. Is this a case of speeding? Please slow down, everyone. They were obviously paying zero attention to the road or didn't even get his attention. Oh, driving in the dark is really dangerous. Stay safe out there, mate. Abrupt braking on snowy roads can lead to loss of control. If your vehicle has anti-lock brakes, apply steady pressure. You would have been charged with dangerous driving for that, so don't do it. Please keep a safe distance from trucks like this. They have blind spots. Oh my God, everything is horrifying. Please be careful. No, man, what are you doing? Oh no, I will not pass a car like that because of the late deciders. Who is at fault, you decide? Don't change lanes suddenly. That's very dangerous.
В общем-то, те же самые ученые, там же в Советском Союзе,
Ой, бля.
еще одно очень интересное явление, которое...
How lucky are they? There were no injuries.
Там же в Советском Союзе,
Ой, бля.
еще одно очень интересное явление,
No, never drive into the influence of alcohol or medications that may impair your cognitive function. What's happening behind us? Oh, be careful in the snow. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. Please check behind you before turning. It will be safer. Oh dear, always yield to oncoming traffic when making a left turn, man. Who is wrong in this case? Let me know your opinion in the comments below. Thank you for watching videos from start to finish. Share your favorite moment in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. See you next video.